What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 90 here. Alright guys, Topps Tribute Baseball break number 1 is here. Sorry for the delay. These auctions ended Monday around midnight, so our 24-hour cutoff would have been Tuesday around midnight, which was last night. And unfortunately, we were still waiting on a few payments around 10 or 11 o'clock when I finally decided to call it a night last night. So, had to put off the break until today. Our last spot that had multiple bidders did make payment. We're only missing one payment, which is for the Kansas City Royals. It's a bidder that we're not familiar with, unfortunately, so we did send them a message. We're going to have to cancel that sale. We will be assuming or eating, or whatever you want to call it, the Kansas City Royals spot for this break. It was about an $11 spot, so rather than wait 4 or 5 hours to try to sell it, just to expedite this, I know a lot of you guys are getting antsy with good reason to get this going. We're just going to eat that Kansas City Royals spot. So if something happens to come out for the Royals, we'll just keep it. Hopefully they draw nothing, because that's not what we want. But in any event, break number 1, 2012 Topps Tribute. Very nice product. ID video was posted the other night. And those of you that watched it, as ID'd, box number 1. It's about 8:30 on Wednesday night, 14th. And as always, thank you all very much for joining. And good luck to all. We haven't actually seen any of this opened. Personally, I have seen some of the cards. I know that there's some encased stuff, and from what I'm feeling here, it looks like every pack is going to have an encased hit, which is cool. So, 6 packs. Break number 1. Let's go. John Smoltz, base for the Braves. CC Sabathia, base for the Yankees. Pedroia for the Red Sox. Tulowitzki to 299 for Colorado. And our encased hit will go to the Twins. Joe Mauer, pure hitter jersey, numbered 60 of 99. 60 of 99, Joe Mauer jersey for the Twins. Pack number 2. Josh Hamilton, base for the Rangers. Johnny Bench, base for the Reds. Babe Ruth, base for the Yankees. For the Cubs, blue parallel, Ryan Sandberg, numbered 128 of 199. And our encased hit for the Phillies, a jersey number hit for Ryan Howard, number 6 of 25. Ryan Howard for the Phillies, 6 of 25. Pretty sure Howard's number 6. If not, I'm an idiot. Nice hit there for Philly, Howard jersey. Pack number 3. Lincecum, base. Molitor, base for Milwaukee. Tom Seaver, base for the Mets. Robbie Cano, numbered to 299 for the Yankees. Our encased hit will go to the Pittsburgh Pirates. Willie Stargell jersey. And that's numbered on the back, 99 of 99. 99 of 99 Stargell jersey for Pittsburgh. 3 down, 3 to go. Those of you that are still looking, good luck. Ralph Kiner for the Pirates. Al Kaline. Tigers. Michael Young base for the Rangers. Rod Carew, 118 of 299 for the Angels. Our encased hit is an auto for the Cardinals. It's kind of a shame. There's a little scratch on the case there. But Stan Musial, nice hit here for the Cardinals, number 10 of 99. Stan Musial, 10 of 99 for the Cardinals. Nice, nice hit. Encased auto. Pack number 5. Edgar Martinez, Seattle Mariners. Miami Marlins, Mike Stanton. Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. Frank Robinson for the Orioles, numbered to 199. And we have another auto here for the Yankees, numbered 16 of 25. Ivan Nova, encased auto. 16 of 25 for the Yankees. Alright, last pack. Good luck, guys. And thank you all very much for joining, of course. We have break number 2 and 3 of this coming up within the next week or two. So hopefully we'll see you there. Break number 2, I think, ends on Thursday night. Break number 3 has not been posted yet. So I will look for you guys there as well. The 2 boxes that we have here. And this is our last pack of break number 1. Alright, Adrian Gonzalez. Those of you that are listening to this with no sound are saying, why in the world are you holding an Adrian Gonzalez base up to the camera? Or the whatever. Anyway. Carlton Fisk, base. Back-to-back for the Red Sox. Eddie Matthews, base. Larry Doby for the Birdie for the Indians, numbered 20 of 75. Parallel. And nothing at all for the Royals, which I'm not upset about at all. D. Gordon, auto, 91 of 99 for the Dodgers is our final hit. 91 of 99, D. Gordon auto. Alright guys, that's it. Quick recap of our 6 encased hits. The D. Gordon, Ivan Nova auto to 25. Stan Musial auto to 99 for the Cardinals. Stargell jersey, numbered 99 of 99. Little eBay 101 there. Another eBay 101 here. Ryan Howard jersey, 6 of 25. And the Joe Mauer jersey, numbered to 99. So, alright guys, thank you very much for joining. Again, that was break number 1 of Tribute. You see it here. Cards will be in the mail. These will probably go out on Friday. Any questions, let us know. Sorry for the delay. We'd love to get these up within 24 hours, but unfortunately due to the time that it completed and giving everybody a window to pay, went an extra night. So hopefully that won't be the case with break number 2. We'll see you guys all there. Have a great night. Again, thank you all for joining. And those of you that have brackets, good luck.